What's up, YouTube? It's a boy and back with another video. And today, guys, but there's some talk about this issue. I say I go around the media that which I not really treat like still because I go up on TikTok, brother, and I go up on TikTok. I'm not a man when normally scrolling. You see me? I search up all them things. At least I have the time to search up about it. But I go up on TikTok and every minute I go up on TikTok, bro. I see something about King Tavii and oh him a go mad or something, and wait there, let me get myself, and them things they just kinda, piss me off in a way because like them don't know the things them where content creators them have to go through, you see me? As much as you see the man that is a entertain and him thing that him have him personal life, you don't know what the dog actually I go through aside from that, you see me? And majority of them content creators nowadays are YouTube are them only revenue. Some of them might have a little sponsorship or thing, but you don't know that. And you see me, and we have to post art for stay relevant. And it's when you do YouTube and them little thing that you have to mentally strong for ya back and forth and I jump on the camera and I talk to the camera back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You see me? And you probably don't even know how long the dog probably had do YouTube for. Dog only had do YouTube for a nice 8 years or probably a decade, you see me? And when you do YouTube for that long, dog, you have to think about your mental. But majority of man them can't really even think about how them feel because without that them can't get a little source of income or you see me? So when I find understand cause even me more time in my 5 years me I do YouTube for brother. And more time than my mental leak my dog and I take mental issues serious. Like anytime I realize say me I go through a certain things, I make sure I take my break. So for you content creators when I watch this bro, want to take care of yourself, you see me, no want to you see me because people are telling say such and such when I go go over beyond mental health and anything. You see anytime a certain time when you realize say you can sit down and take a look at nice break or enjoy like and more time I go out there, I go out after like my kinda tap with the record him go outside, enjoy life with my brother them, sit down, laugh. You have to do them thing like you can't just every day it will mess up with your mental health, you see me? And bro, the thing them with the people them a post up and a laugh about the dog. A serious thing because one YouTuber did dead must say 4 years ago because I see him thing like him did I go through some things and people just that laugh about it and I repost it and not take him serious. You see me until him actually commit suicide. So we not for brother we can't do them thing there dog. I mean no want nobody a come in the comment section come and bash me about oh this and that. Might as well I probably lack off a comment on this too, you see me? But you can't do them thing man. You have to take mental health and them thing serious. You see me? And I just a pray for you dog. Want to pray for you dog as well because you never know where a person will go through behind the scene. You see me? Think Tavii are one of my favorite comedian. You see me? Him and Mad Capo and some other dog like kinda inspire me to do the acting thing. I'ma start do it and realize it work, you see me? So we say that I'm to you dog and kinda make me feel, you know, messed up, you see me? Cause is a person I look up to and know say him a go always anytime watching video them I go always laugh and him thing. But realize say the dog not really too mental, you know? And we did catch on to it way before it come on to no. Me catch on to it from road 876 roommate them time there. We catch on to it, but me I think say probably I want look thing I look face the dog I got go through. I look face the dog I go through. That me did think. But the mirror I say it a come up back again now me I say you know I probably actually have mental problem and anything which you know bro I just appreciate you, and take care of yourself, you see me? Make sure you have a nice Sunday. Yeah. Yeah. It rough for content creators them a go through that. When you might see how we are smile on the camera and everything, but you don't know the half of behind the scenes what are going. So when you just nobody take it to let me get my juice guys. Me a bun up in here. Yeah. You don't know the half bro. Especially when it's a social media app, them not give you the chance to like ease for blow up. You have to post hard. You know, you have to stay relevant every time. You have to dip on the grind over and over and over and over and over. And that will have a big impact by your mental issue. I mean, YouTube and the other social media platform, them nah go nowhere, brother. Only can take on a break and fix on yourself. You see me? I know say people who do YouTube and them thing they watch every day. Right. No, you see me? And every day we have to just dip on the grind. You know it's a good thing you know, but when I take on the mental serious dog. You see if your mental not good, you can't perform good one thing dog. You have mentally strong, brother. When you're mentally strong dog, you get fucked. You see me? That's the time I realize yo, my mental start to kick in or something. Me ease up off of the uploading and take like a 1 month break or a 2 month break and refresh back myself. Cause I know say when I do that, I go come back stronger. You see me? So as I say, want to know, pray for you that you see me. It's sad. It's sad to see where you go through to be honest. And like nobody now take it dog serious. Then every time I go in the comment section find one of them TikTok video there, it's either them a laugh or some foolishness. You see me? So, I never know say oh, even family man did a ghost ride from. I never know them thing. Uh, I did ear chip me ears one at a time them but me never dare take it that serious. You see me? Until a dog talk about it again. You see me? Me a dog talk about some other thing but eight when I had a 876 roommate say my name was Alexia so alright so them thing they have a big impact on people you see me I might just think say yo that dog them a smile and think nothing not go run but can't really laugh about them thing because you could have been in a situation when you want somebody take you serious and them not take you serious because they're a comedian. You see me? And probably that took the dog a one comedian, nobody not gonna take him serious. They probably think say, oh, he might fake it I think. But probably dog there so you know, head chip right now and want somebody to talk to. Nah, nobody to talk to, you see me? Me there so only part time brother in front of the camera. And want somebody to talk to although me have whole heap of audience, me now nobody when me can say alright, oops, me can jump to talk out everything when me have in me I vent to them because you can't really trust people nowadays and we use it against in the future. So that all hard to brother. So from my time they would even have nobody. As much as you see me you say that the one person me can really chat to either my brother. And brother not their own, me not nobody else you know talk about some serious thing but beach fuck up my finger and or somebody just text me but that's all me have to say for today. When you take care of yourself, video Sunday. The video I just mix so make sure you enjoy on the Sunday. It's a 10-minute video. So yeah, peace out, I guess. Mm.
Man, this Mr. B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married the money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.